Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing this custom tray. I was sent a message recently from someone wanting to know if I could do pretty much like a larger version of a tray that I've done before, and that's in my Etsy shop. And I will show that to you guys here. So I grabbed the tray that she wanted me to do, you know, a little copy of, and this is what it looks like. So it's a beautiful tray, and she just really loves like the earthy colors. And I don't know if I'll be able to do like this effect again because it was definitely an accident, not something that was intentional. But I do know now, looking at this, I'm for sure very certain that I used this color, and I know for a fact I used that green. So I'll use these. I'll add the brown for a little more depth, and it'll be nice. And honestly, I think it'll look even better with this darker brown that the tray already is, because this brown is a lot lighter. So yeah. All right.